So this is another one. I did this off camera. All right, so this is what we have. Same size, same shape. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to fix both together, just like so. So please keep watching, don't go anywhere, keep watching. So we are going to fix both together now so we can have our bag. All right, so with my new fire line, this is what I have. Okay, then I will insert one bead in any of the line, just like so. Make sure it is in the middle. So both line, the right hand line, I'll pass it through this first bead right here. Okay, and the left one as well, I'll pass it through the second one, the first bead right here, this bead. And I'll hold both hands and make sure I have equal length, pull it down. So guys, this is what I have. As you can see, this is what I have. This is the bead we just inserted. Okay, so I make sure I have equal length of my line at this point. So now I pick one bead and then I'm going to insert it in any of the line, anyone. Okay, then I'll pull it down and form my loop. So after forming my loop, this is what I have. Then I'm going to pass my left hand line into the loop, just like so, and pull it. So guys, this is what we have. As you can see, we have started fixing it together. I hope it is clear. Okay, so I'm going to continue. My right hand line, okay, I'll pass it through this bead right here. My left hand line into this bead, okay. And as you can see, this is what we have. You see both line coming out from this bead. Okay, now I'll hold both ends of my line. I pick one bead and insert it into any of the line, then pull it down and then form my loop. And after forming my loop, I'm going to pass my left hand line into the loop like so and then pull it. After pulling, as you can see, you drag the loop part into the bead just like so. Make sure your work is tight. Okay, I'll repeat the same process. My right hand line into this bead, my left hand line into this bead. Okay, and as you can see, I have worked both lines, each in the beads. As you can see, are you still watching? Don't go, keep watching. Okay, please give this video a thumb up, subscribe if you are new here, okay, and turn on the post notification bell. Don't know where. Okay, pick one bead, insert it into any part of the line. All right, drag it down, form your loop by passing your line back into the bead, just like so. That is how you form your loop. Then you pass your left hand line into the loop like so and pull it down. After pulling, you drag the part of the loop inside the bead like so, and you have this. Okay, so this is what we have. As you can see, we have started fixing both together. Okay, so we are going to continue this process until we are done attaching or fixing both together properly. Okay, so continue this process until you are done. All right, and let's meet together. Guys, this is what we have. All right, we are done fixing both together. So now we are going to knot this part the way we used to do. All right, walk it through some bead, not secure it. Okay, so guys, we are done fixing both together and this is what we have. You see how beautiful it is. Okay, this is how the side is looking like, just like steps. All right, so what we are going to do now is to make the flap. Okay, we are going to make the flap for this bag now. All right, so guys, with my new fire line, all right, We are going to make the flap now. So I have 15 in a roll right here. Now I'm going to skip this first bead and pass my line through the second bead right here, okay? So I'll walk my line through the second bead like so, and hold both hands, make sure you have equal length, pull it down. So once that is done, this is what we have. Now this one stands for my left hand line, and this stands for my right hand line. Now in my left hand line, I'm going to insert 3 beads, okay? So in the third bead right here, we form the loop the way we used to do, okay? Drag it down. Then I'll pass my line back into the same bead to form my loop. Then I'll pass my right hand line in the loop like so and drag it down. So guys, after dragging it down, we have this, okay? So my right hand line, I'll pass it through the next bead, just like so. See what we have? This is what we have, okay? Now in my left hand line, I'm going to insert 2 beads, okay? I pick up 2 beads. I form my loop. Then I pass my right hand line in the loop like so and drag it down. So guys, this is what we have, all right? So this is it guys, this is the flap we have started forming, okay? So we are going to continue this process until we get to the second to the last bead, this one right here before the last bead, okay? So now guys, I've marked so the second to the last bead right now. So now we are going to turn to start the second row. So to turn, in my left hand line, I'm going to insert 2 beads. Whenever we are turning, the left hand line is where we are going to insert 2 beads, okay? So in the second bead, I'm going to cross my right hand line, but before then, I form the loop. Then I'll cross my right hand line in it, like so, and pull it down. As you can see, both line now are facing this direction, not a straight line anymore, okay? Now we are going to turn completely to start the second row. So to turn completely, in the same left hand line, I'm going to insert 3 beads, all right? I pick 3 beads and insert it in my left hand line. After forming my loop, I'll then cross my right hand line in it like so and then pull it, okay? So as you can see now, we have started the second row. So I'll continue the same process. So guys, this is what we have. We have started the second row. So this is so simple. Now we are going to continue the same process until we get to the length of the flap that we want, okay? So let's continue. So guys, I decided to add color white just to beautify the bag, okay? So you can choose to make it pure black if you want, all right? So now I'll continue to mat until I get to this point. So this is what we have, guys. I'm done making the flap, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. We have 11 for the flap, okay? And for this part we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 by 11, okay? So we have 13 by 11 for the flap. So for the flap, I make sure it's covered to this point, to the edge, so the, what should I call it, to the point, okay? So it gets to this point, just like so. So lovelies, at this point I'm going to fix the magnetic lock, and I have a video on how you can fix your magnetic lock on your beaded bag, okay? Or better still, I'm still going to upload it one more time, okay? So this is it. So guys, your suggestion is welcome. I am open to suggestion. If you love the way I put this video in a short form, that is the tutorial in a short form, please let me know in the comment section. And if you want the tutorial just to be in one video, let me know as well in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video.